Hello, guys. My name is Shubham Kirme. So today our Viva topic is the versions of Java. So it was the first stable-based released the version of Java. Its name was the Oak, and the stable version of the JDK was the Java 1.2, called as Java. Up to JDK 1.0.1, the private and protected keywords could be used together to create yet another form of protection, which is used to act as a restricted to methods of variables, mainly to subclasses of a given class. In JDK 1.0.2, the capability has been removed. Later that the JDK 1.1, the February 19, 1997, the someone adds very incubated in the version 1.0.2 the concept of the in the classes and the Java beans called as the JDBC and the RMI, and the another feature is the AWT event mode, or the totally received, and that the reflection which is supported to that the introspection and the only modification was not possible at runtime. So the just-in-time compiler continues the Microsoft Windows platform, and it produces the JavaSoft, and by using that the semantic information and the Unicode that supports the tail element. The J2SC 1.2 in the December 1998, and its coordinate was the playground. The first time was called J2SC, called as Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. In the replace the JDK that recognized the base platform edition, that platform enterprise edition, and the J2ME called as the Java 2 platform much edition, and it was very important in the Java release, as it is dropped by the Java platform 152. It contains the 59 packages. The some additions were not used in this version. So the Java plugin and the Java RTL and its implementation for the Cobra interpretability, and in that collection framework the Swing graphical, and it was integrated in the core classes sub JVM and the supplied the JIT compiler the first time the J2SC 1.3. Its code name was Kistar, and the some add ones were incubated in this version. That is the hotspot. The JVM included the RXI, all modified to support the optional compatibility with Cobra. The JNADI, called as the Java naming directory interface, and the Java platform debugger architecture, called as the JRD, GPD, and the Java systematic copy classes. The J2SC 1.4 released the version of in the February 2002. It's coordinated was the main, and it's the platform which was released under the Java community process. The some additions were included in this version, that is the improved libraries. That is the first one addition, and the second is the Perl regular expressions, and it included the provided exceptions, and also the cleaning in RO's exception to encapsulate original level a lower level exception, called as IPv6 support internal protocol version 6, that contains the logging and API specified JSR 47, and also the image that is the reading and writing the images formats like the JPG and the PNG, and that the XML parse and the XLLT integrated security and the cryptography extensions, GC, JSC, Java's integrated supported, and the security updates for the Java 4, and that the ended version in the October 2008. The Java J2SC 5, the called the Java additional features, and it provides the compiler time. That is the static type for the safety to collections, and it eliminates the need for next typecast. So let's see the use for metadata or annotations. In the auto-boxing or as well as the unboxing enumerations. So what is my and as well as the enhance for each loop. So improved the semantics of the execution to multi-threaded Java programs. That the static imports. There were also some improvements in the standard libraries. The automatic stub generation for the RMI objects. The first one is the swing. It provided skinny look and a feel. The concurrency utilities in package or java.util.concurrent, and the scanner class for parsing that data from various input, string answer, and the buffers. The Java 5 was the last release of Java, which officially supported in the Microsoft and the Mindwave and the Microsoft Windows by line, the Java Windows 95 and also the Windows 98 and the Windows ME. The Java EC 10 is released in the March 20 in 2008. It was released to remove the primitive data types and move towards the 64-bit addressable and arrays to support the large data access. It was released as 20 March 2018. It was the new features confirmed. These features are the local variable, the type interfaces, the experiment, the Java-based JIT compiler. This is an integrated of the Gradle dynamic compiler of the Linux x64 platform. So that's all about the overall information about the versions of Java. Thank you guys.